Hey everyone, how y'all doing? Got another unboxing video for you, and I'm pretty excited for this one. So this is going to be a quick unboxing overview. It's not going to be a full review on it, just an overview. But yeah, I've been excited for this knife to come out. As soon as I saw it, I'm like, I gotta have it, and it got delivered today. So let's check it out. It's obviously a Civivi, and I got a sticker. One sticker, and it's the knife lamp. Pretty cool. It's like the leg lamp from A Christmas Story. And yeah, thought it said a sticker pack of 3 stickers, but got 1 sticker. That's cool though. I'm glad it's that one. Yeah, let's open this thing up. Here's the box. Right here, it is the purple G10 handle black stonewash 14C 28N blade button lock Cogent. So yeah, let's get it up. My unboxing knife that I've been using for everything is the Rough Rider Tadpole, otherwise known as the Angry Watermelon. I use this more than my regular knives, seems like. But yeah, let's check this bad boy out. I get a little silica pack, and of course you get the Civivi little knife pouch. If you're new to Civivi, you never had a Civivi, almost every knife comes in a nice little pouch. You get a sticker, Civivi sticker. They've been giving out an Elementum sticker, so that's cool. You get a little paperwork. You get a nice little cleaning cloth. And this, a nice pouch. But yeah, let's check this out. I got the purple one this time, and I gotta say, I'm digging the purple. But yeah, this is the Cogent. It's a button lock, 14C 28N steel, deep carry pocket clip. So that's pretty cool looking. I like this design, the milling, definitely. Black blade, black hardware. Yeah, I'm digging it. But yeah, new release came out the 30th. I'll show you right here several different models. Here's one burgundy color like my Bryson. It'd be about that color. That's partially serrated. You got a Green Micarta Damascus one, and let me tell you, I've seen videos with this knife, and that is pretty awesome looking. But yeah, get back to it here. So the Micarta Damascus one is $97.75. You got a natural jade one, purple one like this. They run for $69.50. Got an all blacked out one, all blacked out serrated, jade serrated. So actually the serrated ones are out of stock. That's kind of strange. They must only had a few of them. Everything else right now, December 3rd at 8:52 p.m. A lot of these are still in stock. But yeah, let's get back to this one. I won't go over all the specs in this video, but I'll show them to you. Pretty awesome. Specifications. You can take a screenshot, pause it. Overall length 7.88. Blade length is 3.47, almost a 3.5 inch blade. Cutting edge is 3.3. Blade width is 1.04. That's the height. Blade thickness is a thin 0.11. Blade material Sandvik 14C28N. Clip point, flat grind, black, plain. Handle is 4.41 inches long. Height is 0.92. Handle thickness is 0.5, half an inch. G10 purple, 3.7 ounces. Not bad. The other videos, the Micarta ones, I think comes in a little lighter. Right hand, left hand, reversible tip up carry. Button lock. Model's the Cogent. Yeah, so get back up here. Like I said, there's all the specs. You can take a screenshot, pause it, check it out. So yeah, let's check the knife out closer. Like I said, I've been excited for this one to come out. I've been waiting, and man, I'm digging the purple and black. Look at that G10 again. Got nice grip on it. I mean, it's not really rough, but a little bit. I think actually these lines that are milled in, it's gonna help add a little more grip. Got some ridges down here. Got a hidden or a lanyard post right here, so there's no lanyard hole. But yeah, check out how small that flipper is. Pretty small flipper. Let's see how it opens. Yeah, that's nice. Check the blade out. It's kind of black wash finish. I like this blade shape. It's a clip point. It's listed as a clip point, but it doesn't have that swoopy trailing point. I like this. I like this clip point. Nice flat grind. Feels very thin behind the edge. I was gonna say liner lock, but it's not. It's a button lock. Nice. I have no lock stick. Some people, I've seen a couple of videos where they had lock stick on the other model. Heavily skeletonized liners. Check it out. Of course, it's on Civivi's ceramic ball bearings. Man, so I'm trying to do a liner lock. Axis locks, I don't have a problem with that, but button locks, I don't know why. I always try to do the liner. I'll get used to it. Nice jimping on top, pretty awesome. Got a little, does have a little bit of play up and down in that button lock. Can't really see it, but you can see how the button lock works. Ever so slight movement up and down, left to right, absolutely no movement. Little bit detent lash. I don't know if you can see the blade moving a little bit. Doesn't rattle or anything like that. But yeah, a little bit of lash. I guess it's not even detent lash. It's all in that button. But just a little bit. It's not gonna affect anything. Oh, I got nice jipping back here on the liners. Ergos. Pretty comfortable. Nice handle. That pocket clip, I do feel that just a touch. Like this, it's not going to cause no problem. I know it's there, I can feel it, but not bad at all. This way, not bad this way. Obviously, name touching it. But yeah, I'm really digging this one. Nice snappy deployment. Like I said, the only thing I see so far is that little bit of play there in the button. Let me get a flashlight. Get the new Olight i3T Plus. Pretty cool light. But let's open it up. You can see it pretty good right in there. Try to show you the button right there. So I don't think you can see what I'm trying to show you. It's very subtle. You can, I can feel it just a little bit, but not bad. Can I fail it? Yeah, you can fail it if you really try. So I've been kind of light switching it. That works good. Push button works awesome, actually. That might be a little easier to do, a little better. But yeah, turn that off. So far, I'm digging it. Blade centering is dead on. And it's very hard to show black blades and stuff with my lighting. But you can see that's dead center. Nice knife. Nice deep carry pocket clip. Like I said, it's left hand or right hand tip up. Flat head screws, recessed screws. The clip's not, but with a clip on top, that doesn't cause an issue. And you don't have a hole over here that it would seat down in. But yeah, pretty cool knife. I like the purple. Like I said, I like the G10 on this. The Micarta, the Green Micarta, from what I've seen, looks very nice, along with the Damascus blade. But yeah, I'm digging it. Overall fit and finish is excellent. That little bit blade play is it. And actually, you know, you don't feel that when you try and deploy it. I've seen knives that had detent lash that when you go to flip it, you can actually notice that it's moving before it, you know, releases and opens. But yeah, this one's not bad. The pivot, that's a smaller pivot than a lot of my Civivis. That's nice. But and the purple and black just looks good. Like I said, all different colors and combinations here. Partially serrated blades, which I think probably the first time for Civivi. I'm not sure. Oh, dropped my old phone. Yeah, this one, that's pretty awesome. I kind of regret not getting that, but $97 compared to $69. I like the Natural J G10 one. Yeah, I think it's an awesome looking knife. The burgundy one, if that came in a plain blade, I would have got it to match, to go along with the brazen, but I always got the brazen in purple. Then I went with the burgundy. And I don't know which color I like better. I do like this purple though. But yeah, like I said, just a quick unboxing overview. Check these guys out. You know, on Blade HQ, like I said, all of them are available except for the serrated ones. And yeah, I think this is going to be awesome knife. I can't wait to carry it. Probably carry it rest of tonight and tomorrow, and who knows. Could be one of those knives that kind of gets stuck in my pocket and doesn't come out for several days. Like my Benchmade Presidio, Mini Presidio 2. That got in my pocket, stayed in my pocket for like 35 straight days. But yeah, pretty awesome knife. Cool stickers. I like the knife lamp. But yeah, guess that's it for this video. As usual, you like these videos, hit the like button. Leave a comment down below. Subscribe to the channel. Let me know in the comments if you got the Cogent, what you think of it. And stay tuned. Subscribe to the channel. Stay tuned. I got 3 knife unboxing coming up. And a couple other things I'm going to unbox and look at. So yeah, guess until the next video. Bye.